Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am here with the beautiful Ugoma. And we are going for house hunting, people. So just stay tuned, okay? You've seen Ugoma before now?
Of course now.
See now, fine girl without makeup. Alright guys, so we will see you when we get to the house. That's how it's looking. Okay, so this is how it's looking from this angle. And that is the back door. This leads us outside the house. So this is like the back yard of the house. Okay, and back inside.
Okay, they removed their
the store of the kitchen where you can put your food stuff. In the last house we saw, the store was way bigger than this. This is how this one looks. So we'll just show you how everything looks like.
So it's infinite.
The visitor's room. And by my left, there's like a wardrobe here, an open wardrobe actually. It looks like there's 2 windows open, and this is the bathroom. So this is the laundry room. And it has like a back door as well. That's how it looks like. That's how the view looks like from here. Okay, so it has the same wardrobe as we saw in the other rooms. Same wardrobe here and a toilet right here. Let's check out the toilet, guys. So in each room, the design is quite different. So it has like a toilet and a washing hand, basin. That's all. There's nothing here. There's nothing more. It's really dark in here.
This is wardrobe. Yeah.
Okay.
Master.
Master wardrobe.
Yes.
This is the master wardrobe. Wow. Isn't that it?
No, there is closed door now. Since we're only for the box, only the one on the property. This is a closed door. Master wardrobe. Yeah. Yeah, also no margin. Now the master, another part.
It's very big. It's bigger than the other one we saw.
Which one?
The other one we saw.
You can never use here and compare them.
Oh, this
This
is
is
big.
foreign. That one is local. I'm telling you something.
Oh.
Only master. See more masters there. Only master.
Oh, we're going to explore all this master. Wow.
Oh.
It's beautiful.
Come and see your master.
This is how the
One
oven
of
looks
the
like.
last. If master go anybody inside, come and check my friend. What is this that? We just look at from through here. See where you come and sit down.
Oh, so this is the sitting room. This is where we came from.
Step of the master.
master. Oh. There's a staircase from the master's room.
This family sitting room. This family sitting room.
What?
Family sitting
Okay, family sitting room.
Yeah.
This is a family sitting room. There's a door there.
This is the back balcony.
Let's check out the balcony. Let's check out this balcony. Ooh. So this is another room in the house. There are things on the floor, yes, but they can be fixed when you want to buy the house. And yeah, so in here is the toilet, and I think there are things still in the toilet, but it can be fixed as well. So, but this is how the toilet is looking right now. It has a window for ventilation there as well. Okay. So this is another room in the house, and of all the rooms in the house, this is like the smallest room, I noticed. This is the smallest room in the house. But this is how it's looking. It has 2 windows for ventilation, which is a good thing. And one thing I noticed about the rooms is that all of them have like different designs for lighting. I think that's cool. And that's the toilet area. Yeah. This is another room in the house. This is how it looks like. I think we've been here before. So the wardrobes are the same. They're just open wardrobes everywhere here. Unlike the other house we saw. And of course the toilet area. I think for now things are not balanced here, but if someone wants to buy the property, everything will be fixed. But it's really beautiful here. So this is how it looks. Hey guys, so we're coming to an end of today's video. I hope you really loved this house hunting videos. If you do, please give me a huge thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel so that you can enjoy more of these videos. And just to mention, this house is actually for sale, and the asking price is actually 100 million naira, but it is negotiable. So if you're interested, please send me a DM on my Instagram. I'll leave all the details in the description box as well, so that you can get in contact with me if you are really interested in the property. Okay, so until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.